What up, you awesome sauce hackers? It's your boy Shy running back with another walkthrough today. Today, we whooping up the Prince of All Saiyans, Vegeta1. That's right. This porcupine head crybag is in for a bad day as we final flash his angry ass back to Bulma so he can sit and think about what he's been doing and change his attitude. I actually haven't watched Dragon Ball for about 6 years or so I probably missed maybe, 2, 3 storylines. Got tired of waiting 7 months just for one fight to pop off. I mean, seriously, it took the squad how long just to beat Cell and a couple of androids? Meanwhile, a dangerous villain like Brawly or an elephantitis brain from the world's strongest, Lord Slug or Frieza's brother Cooler can get mollywopped in less than 2 hours, but a rotund chocolate-making life-size pillow named Boo gives everyone problems. Yeah, I'll keep my wallet in my booty pocket because I'm not buying that, alright? What was I talking about again? Oh, right, the room. Apologies for the rant there. I have a tendency to roast things that annoy me. Nasty habit. But anyway, for this room, we will be going over some cool new things like decoding WAV files, compiling PNG files, and analyzing QR codes. Not going to make any puns about gathering Dragon Balls because that just doesn't sound right to me. Dragons don't have balls. They're enormous snakes with horns and very white voices designed to shatter your spirit into 64 pieces. Why 64? Don't ask, because that number just popped into my head. Now then, without any further ado, weapons ready, let's get it! Alright, let the fun begin. Go, as usual, start with our nmap scan. We have our nmap-sc for save scripts, SV for enumerated versions, -OA for output R formats. Sometimes I like to use the -P- to make sure that I got all ports covered. We're not going to do it on this one. And we have our new IP address here. Now, since I've already done this, we already have our output. And we have 2 ports open, port 22 and port 80. Alright, now let's begin our directory busting here. Now, we're going to run GoBuster, so we have GoBuster. We're using the third module for directory busting, specifying our word list. Q for quiet without that damn noise. -O for the output, and we're labeling it as GoBuster Vegeta1. The format that we want, not the format, but the extensions that we want to look for. We have PHTML, HTML, HTML, PHP, SH, and TXT, specifying a URL, and about 200 threads. Now, tricky thing on this one is we have to think outside of the box because this is a box that is directly related to an anime. So, first thing to make sure that we have all of our bases covered is maybe adding some characters that are in Dragon Ball to this list just to cover our bases. So let's start with Goku, Vegeta, that's the name of the machine. We have Bulma, let's put in Trunks, Gohan, Goten, Boo, Mr. Popo. I'll put the regular Popos over there. Then we'll go Mr. Popo. And then Piccolo. I believe that's how you spell that. Let's go ahead and save this right here. Close that out. And now let's run this. And here we're getting some results. So we have image, we have a login page, we have Bulma, we have index, image, admin, and manual. All right. Oh, okay. So we have robot.txt as well. All right. So let's start from the top and work our way down. All right. Main page. Picture of the brooding egghead here with the bad haircut. And let's see, we have robot.txt. That was on the end of that. Okay. Okay, we have a path here. Find me. I would like to rather find what happened to your forehead. Alright, and let's see what this path has on it. find me. Just looks okay. Looks like it has a HTML file here. Let's take a peek at what this thing says. Vegeta 1.0. All right. Let's see what else we can dig out by looking at the source code, because it can't just bring us to a page that just says that. Okay, we have a lot of lines and a lot of text somewhere. If we scroll down, ooh, look at that. All right. This is an enormous string here. So let's put this in our notes section. Okay. Paste that. Yep. Okay, so this is like a base 64 encoded string. So let's save that and then cat this out and see if we can decode this here. Copy that, and we're going to do that by using echo pipe base 64 D for decode. Place the string in the single quotations, hit enter, and we got another enormous string. Where in the hell is the start of my command line at? I don't know. So this is a lot. Wow. All right. Let's just try to keep going then. All right. Let's see what other pages that we had from GoBuster here. Okay, so this is just finished. We found this from robots. Now let's go to manual. Okay, just a basic click patch manual page. All right, go to admin. We have admin.php sitting here. That leads us to where? Okay, nowhere. And just that on it. Okay, thank you very much, Vegeta, for wasting our time with that. Next is image. See what that shows us. Absolutely nada. Okay, we already saw index. Let's check out login. Okay, looks like it just has a save this here. That's just a regular file. So let's open it in text editor and see what's in it. Absolutely nothing. Thank you, Vegeta, for again being an annoyance. Let's go to Bulma's page. Okay, so this has a WAV file. So let's save that. Okay. Let's put this here. See if we can listen to that. I don't know. Maybe Vegeta's gonna spit some bars. Start his angry rap career. Yeah, he has about DMX energy, probably, I think. And there's nothing. Alright. So I guess his silence is powerful. Alright, thank you very much for wasting our time. Again, now, has to be a reason why we got this here. So, let us try something. We're going to attempt to see if there is data hidden inside of this WAV file by going to a page called morsecode.world. This is a it's like that as a audio decoder, and see it can like analyze an audio file that may contain Morse code. Okay, so that's something new. Maybe it has something else in it. Don't know. Let's go ahead and upload this file here of Vegeta being a douchebag laughing at us, which is not funny. Let's go ahead and open up that. And let's play that and see what it has. User. Trunks. Okay. Password. Farnsworth. Reminds me of Warehouse 13. Okay. Okay, so what is this? User trunks. Password user S in dollar symbol. Okay. So let's copy this. Go over to our notes section. Okay, it says username is trunks and the password is user with the S in dollar symbol. So that would mean the S is actually this here. All right. So let us see if we can connect via SSH. All right. Let's just create a new window here. Just label that SSH. Okay, SSH trunks at what the flip mode squad was that damn IP address? Ah, here we go. Let's go ahead and copy that. Paste that there. Get rid of that backslash. All right. On the right track so far. Okay. Type in user with the S and the dollar sign. You stink. Let's try it like this. Okay. Well, flip mode on that one. Hang on one second. Let's see. Oh, duh. Because I... Stupid. 3R, not ER. Alright. Now let's fix this problem. There we go. Now we know. And then we have to battle GHL. Alright, we're moving on. Now that we are connected as trunks here, let us begin our privilege escalation. So, the first thing that we're always going to start with is ID, trunks. Who am I? Trunks. Okay. Host name, Vegeta. Uname-A, and here we have our system information. Alright. So, let's see if we can find the first flag. There it is. And let's go ahead and open that. No. Almost got me there. Not going to play that game. No siree. Alright. Now, let us try to go to our temp folder. Alright. And let us get our privilege escalation scripts here. Okay. Start our Python HTTP server. Python 3-m http.server right there. Actually, hang on one second. Confirm our IP address first. Now we can start the server. Okay. Hit that right there. Now we can run wget on this system with the IP address from our tunnel. Grab this. Give this file execute permissions. Now we can run it. Add a level 1, meaning thorough. Enter again. Close this out because we don't need it on anymore. Okay. One thing I want to go back to this string, so it has to be here for a reason. So let us search through a base 64 decoder. Just to tidy everything up. And that's not all of it. Okay, now where did I find that string? Oh, right. That's right. It was on the Find Me page. Wait, what was it? Oh, right. Underscore me. Sorry about that. Okay. View source code on this. Copy this whole string right there. Huh. Let's make sure that we got everything. Perfect. Decode that. Let's copy this again. Okay. Decode this. Okay. Now, this is an image file. And select the PNG extension, the first thing at the top. Okay, so now let's take this here, this string, and let us append that to a new file. So we're gonna type in echo, right? Then we're gonna enter our string, single quote. We're not gonna paste it in there yet. We're gonna run base 64 decode. Then we're gonna just put file.png. Go right back over here. Paste that right here. And hit enter like this here. And when we type in ls, we have our PNG file right there. Then when we check it, there's our PNG file. Okay, so this is a QR code. Now let's Google a online QR code scanner. See if we can. Okay, see if we can like decode this online. All right, we are going to locate this file here, which is this here. Open that. Submit query. Okay, looks like this QR code contains a password. Top shell V. I was coming close to yelling out top flight. Obviously that's not it. All right. Now let's go back over to our session here. And okay, we just finished running our Linux Smart Enumeration. See what we have here. Okay, we have user trunks. And okay, okay, we have file capabilities here. It's just for ping, not that much else. All right, writable files. All right, these are basic. These are pretty basic. These are typical. These are typical here. I think we can do privilege escalation with some of these, but not all. 9 times out of 10, these specific ones tend to fail. Let's see. Path variables defined outside of SC. We don't need to worry about that too much. Okay, what do we have? We have trunks and root. All right. We are, okay, so where does this password fit in at? No idea. All right, let's see if there's like a history or something like that. Probably the first thing that we should have done. And, okay. It looks like before we logged in here, somebody was trying to create a password salt for a user named Tom. Okay. so let's see here. And let's see if we can run Etsy password to see if Tom is there. So we're going to run cat Etsy password. And nope. Looks like Tom is not here. So all right. So it looks like these are the steps to add Tom. And it looks like it's telling us that we can switch user as him, as he is set as a root user. There's somebody named Tom in Dragon Ball Z? Really? I never would have thought that out of all the names based off of vegetables, there would be somebody named Tom just wandering around in the Dragon Ball universe. Okay, all right. What, does he give Goku fish or something? Maybe he works in an office building. I don't know. All right. Let's see what we have here. So these are, looks like enter twice. Looks like these are backticks and these are actual double quotes. So let's use the ones with double quotes here. Let's take this, copy that, paste that there. Okay, see how this looks. Let us see if we can add this. Does this give us errors? Okay, so it looks like we can't because there's no such directory. So this is a mistype. So we go to here now. Paste that. Okay, looks like it went through. Let's look at the Etsy password file again. And we see right down here, Tom is added. And it looks like that his password that was set is password at 973. So let's go ahead and switch user. Switches Tom. Enter in his password. And looks like we just made root. Let's confirm that. What's my name? Root. ID. Root, root, root. All right. Didn't mean to go Arsenio Hall, but my bad. We're having fun now. CD over to the root folder. We got the proof and we got the root. Will I be opening them? Any of them? Nope. So we have our user flag that is going to be in the trunks folder. Home trunks. So there's where the user folder. The user folder. Here is where the user flag is and our root flag. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. I am Shy Ronin, and I will see you later. Deuces.